Jump, hop, swim, and fly. Let's learn about birds as we sing and try. A is for the albatross, big wings in the sky. B is for the blue jay, singing as they fly. C is for the cockatoo, with feathers all bright. D is for the dove, cuddly and white. E is for the eagle, soaring with grace. F is for the flamingo, standing in one place. G is for the goldfinch, with yellow on its wing. H is for the hummingbird, buzzing like a spring. I is for the ibis, searching in the stream. J is for the jaybird, blue as a dream. K is for the kingfisher, diving with a splash. L is for the lark, singing in a flash. M is for the magpie, shiny things they see. N is for the nightingale, singing in the tree. O is for the owl, awake when it's night. P is for the pelican, flying with delight. Q is for the quail, hiding in the grass. R is for the robin, with colors that amass. S is for the sparrow, chirping near our homes.
D is for the toucan, with its colorful tones. U is for the ural owl, hooting in the night. V is for the vulture, soaring out of sight. W is for the woodpecker, drumming on a tree. X is for the sea mouse, tiny as can be. Y is for the yellow hammer, bright as the sun. Z is for the zebra finch, having so much fun. Birds flying way up high, in the clouds and in the sky. So why